Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Bright Minds Science Lab. Today we're going on an amazing journey deep inside our very own planet, Earth. Have you ever wondered what's beneath your feet? Well, Earth isn't just solid rock all the way through. It's actually made up of different layers, kind of like an onion or a delicious cake. Today we're going to build a colorful model of these layers right inside a clear jar. It's a super fun, hands-on way to see what our planet is made of. For this exciting experiment, you'll need just a few simple things. First, grab a clear jar or a clear plastic cup so you can see all the layers you create. Make sure it's clean and empty. Next, you'll need some Play-Doh or colored clay. We'll need at least 4 different colors to represent the 4 main layers of the Earth. Choose colors that you like. You might also want a small plastic ball or a marble. This can be a great starting point for the very center of our Earth model. That's it. Gather your materials, and let's get ready to build our mini Earth. All right, let's start building from the inside out, just like Earth formed. First, take one color of Play-Doh, maybe red or yellow, to represent the very center. This is the inner core. Roll it into a small ball. If you have a plastic ball or marble, you can cover it with this color. Place this small ball carefully into the bottom of your clear jar. Now choose a different color, perhaps orange, for the next layer. This is the outer core. Roll this color into a flat sheet or a thick rope and carefully wrap it around your inner core ball inside the jar. Press it gently against the first layer. The outer core surrounds the inner core. Our third layer is the biggest one. Pick another color, maybe yellow or green, for the mantle. You'll need a good amount of this color. Roll it out and press it around the outer core layer inside your jar. Make this layer thicker than the ones before it. The mantle takes up most of the Earth's inside space. Finally, we come to the layer we live on. Choose a color like brown or blue for the crust. This layer is very thin compared to the others. Roll out a thin sheet of Play-Doh and press it carefully on top of the mantle layer, filling the rest of the jar. This is where we find land and oceans. Wow, look at your amazing Earth model. You can see all the different layers stacked up inside the jar. Let's talk a little more about what each layer is like in the real Earth. Right at the center is the inner core. You made it with your first color. The real inner core is super hot, even hotter than the surface of the sun. But because it's under so much pressure from all the layers above it, the metal there stays solid. It's mostly made of iron and nickel. Surrounding the solid inner core is the outer core. You used your second color for this. The outer core is also incredibly hot, but it's under less pressure, so the metal there is melted into a liquid. This moving liquid metal is actually what creates Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from space radiation. Next is the thickest layer, the mantle. You used a lot of Play-Doh for this one. The mantle is made of hot, solid rock, but it's not completely rigid. Over very, very long periods of time, the rock in the mantle can flow slowly, kind of like thick, gooey caramel. This slow movement is what causes the plates on Earth's surface to move. And finally, the thin outer shell is the crust. This is the layer you live on. It includes all the land, mountains, and the ocean floor. The crust is broken into large pieces called tectonic plates, which float on the slowly moving mantle below. It's the coolest and thinnest layer. You did such a fantastic job building your Earth model. You've created a miniature version of our incredible planets inside. Now you know that Earth is much more than just the surface we see. Can you point to each layer in your jar and name it? Inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. Try explaining what each layer is like to a friend or family member. For an extra challenge, maybe you could try building a bigger model or adding labels to your jar to show the name of each layer. Keep exploring and learning about our amazing world. Thanks for joining us in the Bright Minds Science Lab today and building the Earth's layers with us. We hope you had fun and learned something new about our planet. Science is all around us, and there are so many exciting things to discover. Keep asking questions and keep exploring. Don't forget to share your amazing Earth models. We love seeing what you create. Come back soon for more fun science experiments.